to another episode of Fulton Fresh Kitchen Science. I'm Melissa.
And I'm Deborah.
And today we're making bio batteries. So, Miss Deborah, can you tell us what we're going to need for today?
Sure. So today we're going to use a lemon. We're also going to use the mini LED lights. We're going to use the galvanized zinc-coated nails, pennies, and last, the alligator clips.
Perfect. So, Miss Deborah, let's start with this lemon.
Okay.
And this is going to be the base of our battery. Do you know why that is?
No.
What are lemons filled with? Acid. That's right, citric acid. And that is really important for our bio battery.
Cool.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to put a zinc-coated nail in there.
But before we do that, we're going to roll it out just a little bit. You don't want to over press it. You just want to roll it, get the juices stirred around, and then we're going to put a nail.
Then we're going to put the nail in.
Okay.
You roll it after you put the nail in. The juice goes in. This is why I'm glad you're here, Miss Deborah.
Thank you.
So we're going to have the zinc-coated nail on one side, and then we're going to have a nice, clean, shiny penny in the other side.
So you may want to take a knife and just kind of cut your lemon so that your penny can go down in it pretty good. Okay.
Okay.
What else?
So now what we have here is the basics of a battery. So the zinc-coated nail and the copper penny are acting as an anode and a cathode, respectively. So what that means is you're going to have electrons coming off of this copper penny and going into the lemon juice and the citric acid because it's so acidic. They're going to shed right off that penny and hang out in that solution. But electrons don't like to be near each other, and so they're going to push all the way over to the zinc-coated nail. This is why it has to be coated with zinc. That's the only way that it will attract those electrons.
Okay.
And that is going to push the electrons in another direction. But if we just keep them right here, they're not going to go anywhere, right?
Right.
So we're going to need our alligator clips.
Okay, so grab one.
Okay, you grab the red one, I'll grab the yellow one.
Okay.
And what you're going to do is you're going to attach one end of each clip to the nail and to the penny.
Okay.
And so this makes most of what we call a circuit. And make sure that the penny and the nail do not move. Otherwise, your circuit may mess up a little bit. So now to close our circuit or make things light up, we're going to use one of our mini LEDs or light emitting diodes. So we're going to take this yellow one right here. And I'm using a yellow one because it actually takes less power to light it up than some of the other colors. So we might be cheating just a little bit, but we want to put on a good show for you guys. So Miss Deborah, I'm going to give you this side because the longer end goes with the penny.
Okay.
And it needs to be attached with that clip, so you just clip it on right there. And I'm going to clip this one to the shorter end. And then we're going to light up.
Cool.
So that means that the electrons are moving in one way. So they're moving from the penny, through the lemon, up the nail, along the yellow cord, through the yellow light, and that's what's making it show off, and then going back down through the red and starting the process all over again.
Wonderful.
So this is really dim, Miss Deborah. It's really hard for me to, can you see that?
A little, not much.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, it's there.
It might be kind of hard for people at home to see.
Yeah,
So
yes.
what do you think would be a good way for us to make this a little bit brighter?
I'll add more fruit.
Add more fruit, because it's always good to have more fruit.
Always good to add more fruit.
So we've got some lemons here, we've got some limes and some grapefruits, all kinds of different fruits. So you should experiment at home and see which ones work the best for you, because we're going to have different amounts of acid. So we're going to let's build the biggest circuit we can.
Okay.
How about that? Let's build a big old battery.
That'll work.
Okay.
So we're going to take a nail again and insert it. And a penny. That's there. Okay.
Now we're going to take the diode out of one of the clips. And you want to make sure that you don't attach penny to penny, because you want to keep everybody going the same direction. So you're going to attach the penny clip to the nail. And you have to alternate that way.
Okay.
So now we're going to use our movie magic and speed everything up while we make you guys a big circuit. All right, we're putting the last alligator clip on here, and it starts at a penny and it ends on a nail, and you want to make sure that they're alternating. All right, Miss Deborah, do you want to do the honors with the diode?
Yes.
All right.
See if I get this right. So we have a long side and a short side, and so the long side goes with the penny.
Correct.
This way.
Put that on.
Switch this a little. And attach the nail.
Oh, and it went
Voila!
up.
Wonderful!
So you can just add as much fruit, as much different fruit as you like, and experiment and see what makes your light shine the brightest. And maybe also experiment to see which fruit do you need the least amount of to get a light on there.
Wonderful.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Miss
Thank
Deborah.
you. I enjoyed this.
Yeah, I'd say our chemistry is pretty great, right?
Right.
Okay. Well, thank you all for
Thank
joining
you.
us today for another episode of Fulton Fresh Kitchen Science. And we will see you all at the next one.
Bye.